Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing well. So my dear children, today I'll teach you a new topic. So let's begin. Okay children, tell me one thing. Do you know how we draw a number line? What is number line? Okay. First we draw a number line. How we draw a number line? First we take a ruler and draw one sleeping line. One sleeping line. Make a straight line. Draw a straight line. Like this. Make two arrows. And make tick marks. And the space between these tick marks are equal. And these tick marks are known as unit gaps. Now write down the numbers. And from which number line started? From 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. And this is our number line. This is our number line. And do you know why we use number line? We use number line to see the numbers, to compare the numbers, and we also do addition and subtraction on this number line. But today students, we will do skip counting on this number line. Skip counting? Do you know what is skip counting? Have you ever do skipping with rope? Yes, in skipping we jump. So this is number line and we do skip counting. So students, we will do skip counting. Suppose if we have to do skip counting of 1. Like this we do skip counting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the skip counting of 1. Now we will do the skip counting of 2. For skip counting of 2 we have to take two blocks. Like here. We start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. This is the skip counting of 2. This is the skip counting of 2. And like this we increase more numbers like 18, 20, up to any number we can do skip counting. See, this is a 100 chart and in this 100 chart we also do the skip counting easily. In skip counting of 2 we have to leave one number and the other number is our answer for skip counting. Like leave 1, 2. Leave 3, 4. Now we circle the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. 11, leave 11, 12, leave 13, 14, leave 15, 16, leave 17, 18, leave 19 and 20. Leave 21 and 22 is our answer. 24, 26, 28 and 30. Like this we find out the number who is the answer for the skip counting of 2. So like this student we do skip counting of 2. Now let's see how we do skip counting on number line. We start from 0, 2 and next 4 and next 6 and next 8 and next 10 and next 12 and next 14, and if the number 16 is given here, that will be our answer for skip counting of 2. So student, this is the skip counting of 2. Now let's see skip counting of 3. So student, let's see the skip counting of 3. On number line, how we started from 0. Now count the blocks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. 1 to 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Have you noticed we have to leave 2 numbers in skip counting of 3. In skip counting of 2, we are leaving 1 number, and skip counting of 2, we have to leave 2 numbers like 3, 4, 5. We leave 2 numbers 4, 5, and next number is our answer. 7, 8, 9. 9 is our answer. 11, 12, 10, 11, 12 is our answer. 13, 14, 15 is our answer. 16, 17 and 18 is our answer. Now let's see some more answers of skip counting of 3 in our hundreds chart. See, this is our number chart 1 to 100. So 1, 2, we leave 2 numbers 1, 2 and 3 is our answer. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Now can you see we are leaving 2 numbers in skip counting of 3. Like this we find out our answers for skip counting of 3. Now see how we do on number line. This is our number line. We have to leave 2 numbers. So we start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So like this we do skip counting on number line. So this skip counting is very easy. Now students, we will do skip counting of 5. So skip counting of 5 we can easily do with our hands also. We have how many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 fingers. So let's first we do on our number chart. See here 5. Write down 5 and 0. We start from 0. 0, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and so on. Now let's see on our number chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. In skip counting of 5, we are leaving 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this, student, we do skip counting of 5. Yes. So what will our answer? 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Now see on number line. We start from 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15. Like this. Okay. Now we will do skip counting of 10. Okay. First we do on number chart. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have to leave 9 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 is our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. In skip counting of 10, this is our answer. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. So we write down on our chart. 0 and 10. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and so on. So student, these are the skip counting of 10, 10, 5, 3 and 2. So now this is clear to you. So student, what you have to do? So my dear children, today now we will do the activity of skip counting. First you have to take a thread and some toothpick and make a number line like this. After drawing the number line, making the number line, you have to do skip counting of 2 like this. 0, 2, 2, 4. Yes, start from 0, 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 8, 10, 10, 12 and 14. Like this you have to draw a number line with the help of wool and these toothpick. And do the skip counting of 2, 4, 5 and 10. And send me a short picture or a video of your work. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.